Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm here to create a loader. It's quite easy to understand how can we create a loader. I'll use only HTML CSS, okay? So, without wasting our time, I think we should get started. Now first save the file. I'm saving it by simply pressing Ctrl plus S. I'll save it on my local disk E and I'm gonna name it loader.html, okay, and .html is its extension. Okay guys, here I'm starting HTML tag and I'm giving it title loader, okay, and here I'm starting a div tag and its class as attribute and its value will be loader. And here I'll wish to add heading, okay, heading 2, and I would like to say here loader using HTML CSS HTML and CSS only. Now guys, our HTML is being finished and now I'm starting here a style tag and I would like to say here h2 and here I'll say text align center and color blue. Now it's time to let style on div tag, okay. For this I'll use class attributes value which is loader, okay, and here I'll say margin auto and border 12 pixel solid, okay, solid light gray, semicolon, and border radius will be 50%, okay, and border top, here I'll say border top and 12 pixel solid gray, okay, and now and its width will be 130 pixel, 130 pixel, and its height will be 130 pixel also, okay. Now I'll say WebKit animation spinner 1 second linear infinite. And now I'm gonna say WebKit animation, WebKit keyframes, this K will be in small caps, okay. And now I'm gonna name it spinner, which is I have created, okay. And now guys, I'll say 0% first, okay, and I'm sorry, WebKit transform rotate 0 degree. Guys, for the 100%, I'll say here 400 degree, okay. And now guys, I'm gonna create keyframe spinner, okay. This one will be like this, and this one will rotate at 360 degree, okay. Now guys, you will have to save the file first to see its output. I'm gonna save the file by simply pressing Ctrl plus S, okay guys. Now I'm going to local disk E, okay, directory where I have saved the file. Now guys, I'm gonna execute the file by simply double clicking on it, and here is the output. As I told you that it's quite easy to understand its concept, and I have used only this coding for creating this spinner loading, okay? And now I'm gonna clear more its concept on you, that you can change its color, which I'm gonna say here a pink, and its output is here. Sorry, I forgot to save the file, that's why it doesn't showing its output. Okay, and now guys, let's see its background is being changed, and now I'm gonna say here red color. Okay, and I'm also saving the file, and let's see it is being changed now, and it's looking well. Okay, and if I'll change here 130 to 190, sorry, I think I should change 200. Okay, and this one as well 200, and I'm saving the file, and its output will be something like this. Guys, one thing more, that if I'll change its to 25%, it'll never be in circle, you know. Let's see its output, and it's looking little bit crazy. And on the other hand, if I'll wish to say here, I'll wish to let more than one border, border left, border right, and once, like I'm gonna say here left, and I'm changing also its color, which is I'm saying blue, and here I would like to say gray, and here I'm saying right. Now guys, I'm saving the file, and let's see the effect, and seriously it's looking too much better than all. Guys, one thing more, that you can change its shape as well, like this. I'm gonna say it, and it will look a little bit crazy, like see here, see the effect, guys. Guys, one thing more, if I'll wish to change here, I'm saying here 100%, and it's looking something like this. And if I'll say here border top left radius 100%, then what will happen? Wow, it's looking too much beautiful. Guys, seriously, I didn't imagine that I'll be able to create something like this. And I don't know what is it looking. If you guys know, so please tell me in the comment section below. Okay guys, I think it's enough for today. If you guys wanna learn something from me, so please ask me a question, and inshallah I'll never be left behind. Okay, and I'll create a video if I'll be able to do so. And guys, one thing more, that as you have watched that I create wonderful videos, so guys, please, if you wanna get mentioned from my next videos, subscribe now, and also hit the like button below. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.